You've probably been hearing a lot about AI lately. Let's take a look at its key strengths and weaknesses, along with a few major ethical issues. Well, first things first, what even is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers broadly to intelligence demonstrated by machines. You've probably already heard of machine learning, which is a set of techniques that allow computers to recognize complex patterns and make predictions given massive amounts of training data. But AI isn't only machine learning. It also covers a bunch of other techniques, including search algorithms like Google Maps' pathfinding algorithm. AI development started in the 1950s, but it really took off in the 80s and 90s when computers became powerful enough to support it. Today, specialized machine learning algorithms can filter email spam, they can generate captions for videos, and much more. In fact, most of the images in this video were generated by a machine learning model. In the future, we'll probably see new techniques and bigger versions of existing models. And some researchers are searching for ways to implement artificial general intelligence, which would be able to perform basically any task just as well as a human. Of course, AI does have limitations. For one thing, AI tools are currently quite specialized. ChatGPT cannot beat chess grandmasters, nor can a chess engine write essays. And machine learning models are essentially black boxes. It's usually hard to know how they arrive at their conclusions.
Many systems that use AI, like Google Maps, are already integral parts of our daily lives. Furthermore, new tools promise to boost productivity. Look at GitHub Copilot, a programming tool that can generate source code based on simple written prompts. Copilot's developers claim this improves programmers' productivity and frees them up to work on more interesting design problems. In healthcare, AI is used in areas like medical image analysis, personalized treatment plans, predictive analytics, and drug development. For example, DeepMind Health developed a tool using machine learning that could identify 90% of acute kidney injury 48 hours earlier than traditional care methods. Another potential application is in transportation. Each year, motor vehicle accidents kill over 1,000 people in Canada and tens of thousands of people in the United States. Self-driving vehicles do not drive drunk, they do not get distracted, and they could save thousands of lives each year. Furthermore, if reliable self-driving trucks were developed, they wouldn't need to stop and rest every few hours and could therefore improve efficiency and alleviate supply chain issues. In short, AI holds the potential to improve productivity, improve efficiency, and even save lives.
Although artificial intelligence may provide significant benefits, those benefits won't necessarily be shared equally. One concern is that artificial intelligence will make certain skills obsolete altogether. If this happens too quickly, many people will find themselves not only unemployed, but unemployable because their skills are no longer needed. Another concern is the collection and use of data. The data used to train machine learning models often includes work by people who are unaware that it was being collected, which brings up copyright concerns. Also, AI is often used to analyze mounds of personal data for targeted advertising. This is hardly the most altruistic use of such powerful technology and can easily infringe on individuals' right to privacy. Moreover, since many artificial intelligence tools are essentially black boxes, it's hard to know whether they're trustworthy. If the training data is biased, the AI will reflect those biases. For example, a 2019 study in the journal Science examined an AI-based algorithm used by US hospitals to decide whether patients need extra care. The researchers found that a black person had to be sicker than a white person to receive extra medical care. In short, there are still plenty of technical and legal issues with AI. That's even without going into ethical considerations regarding the moral standings of machines.
So, what are professional engineers' responsibilities with respect to artificial intelligence? The Code of Ethics of Engineers requires an engineer to take into account the consequences of the performance of his work on the life, health, and property of every person. Therefore, engineers should ensure that artificial intelligence systems do not infringe on users' right to privacy and that they comply with copyright laws. They must also take steps to correct biased systems and promote equity. To do so, engineers need to collaborate with regulators and the public. New legislation is needed to ensure artificial intelligence is developed and used responsibly. It is particularly important to make sure that the benefits of AI are shared broadly and not concentrated in the hands of a few people. In all this, engineers need to keep up to date with the state of this field. Since artificial intelligence is developing at a breathtaking rate, lifelong learning will be crucial. There's still a long way for artificial intelligence to go, and we believe it is a valuable technology that possesses considerable potential to make our lives better.